Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of R.A.D Installs. So today we are going to install a backrest, which I bought from Shopee, and I already installed the main cushion for the backrest. So all it took really was these two screws to attach it, but I found a little bit of an issue with this frame for the backrest because it wasn't exactly flat. So on the edges here, on the sides, it's a little bit lifted or elevated. So what I did, I took some 3M mounting tape and put mounting tape between the cushion and the actual frame, just in case these two screws right here fail. If they fail while my wife is riding with me, it's not gonna be pretty, right? All right, and these are the other parts. So this of course goes on the bike over there, and I'm going to install these first. I'm going to do this piece by piece. I'm not going to install, or I'm not going to assemble the backrest and the rack together then put it on the bike, primarily because I don't know how these two attaches to these brackets right here. I don't know if this goes inside like this or outside. Same thing with this. So I'm going to install them first and go from there. All right, so these go on to that. It's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm not gonna tighten these bolts yet, just gonna fasten them a little bit so the brackets are on there snugly and securely. Let's attach these to this bracket over here. Alright, so now that we have those brackets on the bike, now it's time to check which one goes first. Let's see. Just put this bolt in here. Alright. These go inside or outside? Seem like they want to go inside. And this, seems like the yep, these want to go inside too. Alright, that is kind of weird. Alright, I guess there's a little bit of space in here, so I'm assuming both of them go inside. That's what it seems like. Seems like they both want to go inside. Yep. I guess they do. Later. They look nice and snug. These bolts. Them a couple more times. Not really tightened them yet. There. Alright. Looks nice. And we're done. we're done with the backrest install. It was relatively easy to do. Just a few bolts and just making sure you know which part goes first. So I definitely made the right decision to install the brackets first, and then the rack, and lastly the backrest. Let's see. Let's try it out. Yep. Seems pretty okay. For the backrest. And it looks pretty good. Alright, so this has been another episode of R.A.D Installs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you guys on the next one.